The video presents a set of 10 strategic tips designed to make women chase after you by subtly shifting the dynamic of pursuit in your favor. Instead of constantly chasing or trying too hard, these psychological tactics help create intrigue and attraction, making women more inclined to seek your attention. However, it's crucial to apply these strategies thoughtfully and at the right moments to avoid appearing disinterested or manipulative. Here's an expanded breakdown of the techniques. 1. Delay responding to messages. Timing your responses to her messages is another way to create anticipation and intrigue. Instead of immediately replying to her texts or calls, take some time before responding. This delay builds tension and makes her wonder why you're not responding right away, increasing her curiosity and interest. The idea is to make her feel that you're busy and have a life outside of the interaction. When you do respond, ensure that your messages are thoughtful and add value to the conversation. This approach creates an air of mystery and makes her more eager to engage with you. By not being overly eager to respond, you maintain control of the interaction and make her feel like she needs to invest more effort to keep the conversation going. 2. Ignore her strategically. Ignoring someone might seem counterintuitive, but when used correctly, it can be a powerful tool to capture a woman's attention. Many women are used to receiving attention, so when someone withholds it, it can pique their interest. This doesn't mean being rude or dismissive, but strategically limiting your attention to make her work for it. By not immediately giving her what she expects, constant attention, you create a space where she starts seeking your approval and attention. However, it's essential not to overdo this, as too much ignoring can have the opposite effect and make her feel unimportant or rejected. The key is to strike a balance by engaging with her selectively. This approach keeps her interested and curious, motivating her to pursue you more as she tries to get your full attention. 3. Compliment her, then withdraw. An effective yet subtle tactic involves giving a sincere compliment and then pulling back your attention right after. Compliments make people feel good about themselves, but the sudden withdrawal creates an intriguing sense of elusiveness. This plays on a psychological principle. People tend to desire more of something that seems hard to obtain or is temporarily unavailable. After complimenting her, retreating gives her time to reflect on the positive feelings you created. This leaves her wanting more of that attention and praise, making her more likely to reach out to you. The anticipation you've created builds in her mind, leading her to think about you and what could have been if you hadn't withdrawn, potentially encouraging her to seek out more interactions. 4. Make her chase you. Most people think that constantly pursuing someone will increase attraction, but this can often backfire. If you're always chasing a woman, she may sense your intentions too early and lose respect or interest, feeling like you are too available. This can create an impression of desperation or even make her feel uneasy. Instead, flip the script by showing controlled interest while keeping an air of mystery. Demonstrate that you're confident, self-sufficient, and have your own life outside of her. When you're not constantly chasing her or seeking validation, she will begin to wonder about you, what you're doing, and why you're not chasing her like others might. This curiosity naturally draws her in, leading her to initiate more conversations and interactions, eager to learn more about you. The key here is balance. Show interest, but remain slightly elusive, which can make her more inclined to chase you. 5. Respectfully disagree. Disagreement can be a surprisingly effective way to build attraction, as long as it's done respectfully and without hostility. When you confidently stand by your opinions and respectfully challenge her ideas, it showcases that you have your own set of beliefs and are not just trying to agree with everything she says to please her. This can stimulate deeper conversations and demonstrate that you are intellectually engaged, not afraid to stand your ground. Disagreement, when handled with respect and composure, can make her more interested in understanding your viewpoints and opinions. It also creates a dynamic where she may start seeking your approval or validation in other areas. By being assertive yet respectful, you show her that you are self-assured, and women are often drawn to men who project this kind of strength and confidence. 6. Subtly praise another woman. A subtle way to increase her interest is by expressing admiration for another woman, whether it's for her hairstyle, achievements, or personality traits. This can trigger a mild sense of jealousy, making her subconsciously compare herself to the other woman. When done subtly and without exaggeration, this technique can ignite her desire to seek more of your attention and possibly prove herself to you. It's important to tread carefully here. The key is to make your admiration seem genuine and not manipulative. If she feels that the compliment toward the other woman is an exaggerated attempt to make her jealous, it could backfire. However, when done right, this approach can make her feel like she needs to compete for your attention, motivating her to pursue you more actively. 7. Stay non-reactive. Emotional control is a highly attractive trait, and remaining non-reactive can make you stand out. Reactive behavior, like getting upset or overly emotional, can signal insecurity or lack of control. By staying calm and composed, you show that you are in control of your emotions, which can be deeply appealing. It also demonstrates maturity and thoughtfulness, as you take time to consider your reactions before responding. Non-reactivity gives you the power to navigate situations thoughtfully, without letting impulsive emotions dictate your behavior. Women are often drawn to men who exhibit emotional mastery and self-possession, as these qualities are associated with strength and reliability. Maintaining a composed demeanor can foster a deeper connection and make you more attractive in her eyes. 8. Use reverse psychology. Reverse psychology can be an effective way to make a woman pursue you. By adopting a subtle, "I don't need you" attitude, you can create a situation where she feels the need to prove her worth to you. For example, during a conversation or date, avoid showering her with excessive praise or validation. Instead, maintain a certain level of reserve, making her wonder about your level of interest. This creates a dynamic where she may feel the need to invest more effort in impressing you or winning your attention. However, it's important not to push this too far. A little mystery is good, but if you act too aloof, she may feel excluded or undervalued. Balance is crucial in ensuring that your subtle disinterest ignites her desire to pursue you without making her feel unwanted. In conclusion, these 8 psychological tactics, when used strategically, can significantly increase your chances of making a woman chase after you. They focus on creating intrigue, demonstrating confidence, and fostering healthy competition, all of which can help you stand out from the crowd. However, it's important to use these methods with care, ensuring that you remain respectful and authentic in your interactions.